I went with the Garmin Force Current. All right, let's open the box up for the Garmin Force Current. See what we got in here. Lots of little stuff here. We don't need them. Man overboard. That one's labeled, so that says high efficiency prop and mounting hardware. Wheelless prop. Power cable. Right foot control. Oh, they're heavy. Definitely heavy. Got some sort of spot lock or something on the sides. Left control. Oh, this thing's sweet. Mounting plate. This is going to be going on the Superfish, which you'll see later or in another video. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Oh boy, a little heavier than I thought. There it is. Must be hardware. It's rattling. I hope it's hardware. Oh, remote. Pretty sweet. Upside down. Lots of other little goodies in there. I'll have to get to after. Nice. Nice, nice. So that is that. Not a whole ton of stuff in there, but looks pretty straightforward. So stay tuned and let's see where this ends up.